we get some challenges in the field with people wanting longer conduits, and they ask why the conduits are so short on the BORTECH units. And in general, the challenge is that we're rotating a head around non-rotating wire. And so the action of the wire being twisted up inside the conduit as you're rotating the machine, that wire has to unwind at some point. The shorter and shorter the conduit is, the less and less effect that will be. In other words, wire flip is a result of effectively a number of things, but conduit length is one of them. And so if you can reduce conduit length, you'll have less aggressive wire flip, and as well increasing the length of, increasing the diameter of the cast of the wire, which is the relaxed state of the wire as it comes off the reel. Some wires are very cheap, or not cheap, they're wound very tightly and they might be like a 12-inch cast. Some wires come off the reel at 60 inches. The larger cast wire flips less.